Hi, welcome to this brief video tutorial on flying Linux Air Combat with a mouse. A lot of you have reminded me that you don't have a joystick and that you just use a mouse to control Linux Air Combat. Obviously you can move your mouse around and select things from the menus. The training that I'm going to give you is how to fly your airplane. To do that, I'm going to choose a mission with click, and let's fly the network head-to-head mission just for fun. Click. I'm flying a Supermarine Spitfire. I like that airplane. Let's just start the mission. And here I am flying around. If I want to move my mouse, I can make some turns. If I pull my mouse back, I go up. If I push forward on my mouse, I go down. That is, pulling back makes me turn toward my head. Pushing forward on the mouse makes me turn toward my feet. When I put my mouse to the center, all my motion tends to stop. If I want to roll, I move the mouse to the right, I'll roll this direction. When I move my mouse to the left, I'll roll this direction. So to turn in an airplane, I'll roll on my side and then pull back. Makes for a rapid turn. To turn the opposite direction, I'll roll the other way and pull back. So there's the basis of flying with a mouse. You roll with your ailerons by moving your mouse left or right, and you climb or dive with your elevators by pulling back to climb and forward to dive. It's a lot like a joystick, the same kind of motions. If I had a joystick, I'd move this way and this way to roll, pushing forward to dive, pulling back to climb. So it's pretty much the same as the joystick. The joystick's more precise. You're going to find it's a little bit more cumbersome with the mouse, but still, it's a lot of fun. To fire weapons, you just toggle your left mouse button like this. Okay, now, the other thing that's really important to know is how to look around, and we do that with our numeric keypad keys. When I press this one, I'm looking to the left. It has a left arrow on it. The one with the right arrow I use to look to the right. Holding down, I'm looking off to the right. When I release it, I'm looking straight ahead. To look behind me, I press this one, the down arrow, and I'm looking straight behind me. To look straight up, I use this 5 button right here in the middle of my numeric keypad, and that helps me look straight up to the top of my cockpit. Looking forward is this arrow right here, but of course we're normally looking forward, so you can kind of ignore that one. Now, you're going to use this look up key more than you think, because turning an airplane is not like turning in a car. As I said, to turn an airplane, you roll on your side and pull back. It's called bank and yank. So we're going to bank, and then I pull back to yank. When I press this 5 button now, I'm looking ahead of my turn. Helps me see where I'm going. And when I release, I can now look straight forward again and see where I'm really going. So there you have it. Looking around, looking left, looking right, looking forward, looking backward, looking up through the top of my cockpit right there, or to look straight down, it's this button right here at the top of my numeric keypad, looking straight beneath me. That's the basics. Hope you enjoy Linux Air Combat with your mouse. Now, there are 2 different ways to configure your mouse from the menus. We'll talk about that in another video clip in just a moment.